Hey, stop posting boring videos on X. If you want to actually be able to post a video and get good results using Twitter or X videos, this video is for you. I'm going to share my screen and break it down. Hey there, my name is Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. I've been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, worked with over 2,500 brands. I'm not going to bore you with that. You can always learn more here. In my videos, I share my screen. I show you exactly how to upload your video and actually do it right to get good results. I'm going to show you a few good ones and a few bad ones so you can learn from them. And if you want my full system on optimizing X and growing with X and X ads, comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send it over to you. Let's not wait any longer. Let's dive in. Okay, so first I want to show you a few examples of good videos on X. This is my friend Nathan here, and as you can see, he's got a video that's about 1:45 long, but what he's doing is adding graphics in here, which is going to keep someone's attention. He is also adding captions down below so you can read what he's saying. From there, you really don't want to make long form videos. You want to make videos that are between 10 to 30 seconds long. Here's one example of a video that is capturing people's attention and it's 13 seconds in length. But what I recommend is formatting this so it doesn't look like it came directly from TikTok or Instagram. You want to try to focus on square or horizontal. If you stick with me for another minute, I'm going to show you a few more good ones and a bad one. But what I want to do is head over to my CapCut account and I want to show you how to format this video and get that to upload best. Now, depending on what software you want to use, you can use any software, but I prefer using CapCut. It's low cost and it allows you to do captions. So what happens is I see the biggest mistake on X where they're uploading vertical videos that are meant for TikTok and Instagram, and they're not adding captions to keep someone's attention. So what you want to do is you want to go over here to ratio, and you either want to choose 16:9. What that's going to do is make it almost like a YouTube format, or I think the best for X is to make it square, a 1:1. Then what you're going to do is grab that video and you're going to go ahead and scale it so it fits right in the box there. You want to move it around, and now you've got an optimized video for X. The next thing you want to do is add captions. So I just go over here and I click generate. Before I do that, I'm not going to do the whole video because if you look here, the video is 6 minutes long. That's way too long for X. So what we want to do is cut this up, and we want to make it about 20 seconds. From there, I'm right at the 20-second mark. I'm going to cut it again. I'm going to hit that. And now I've got my video, and I'm going to go ahead and generate my captions for that. And that's what I want to encourage you to do. Keep something short and simple. People aren't scrolling on X to learn things and get educated unless it's going to be a readable version. The videos are meant to capture attention, spark curiosity, and get them to want to read the rest of the post. So when you do add these in, I recommend making sure the captions are there, that you also have an educational post that they can read while they're watching the video. All right, now that that's all ready, we're going to make some cool colors here. We're going to add that up. What we want to do is when we export this, we want to make sure it's 1080p. Now, when you go to upload to X, it's going to recommend 720, I think. But what we want to do is try to keep this as high quality as possible. From there, I went ahead and exported it. And while I'm waiting, I'm going to head back and I'm going to show you a few more accounts. All right, here's another video example of Mr. Beast. I don't think it's doing as well because what they did was
how does Mr. Beast know everything? Don't even have season 2.
And added it to X. People know that that's probably just a copy and paste, and they didn't put much effort into it. Now, what I do like is that it's short, it's 32 seconds, and it's got captions. Here's another example. This is a pro football player that's retiring, but if you look at his video, you know this
digging the shirt in the TikTok should have been paid more than Matthew Stafford because I is the next.
So now that you see the style and what works, we're going to go ahead and click on post.
How does Mr. Beast know everything? Don't even have
You're going to upload that video we just downloaded. Now, as the video is downloading here, this is where you want to really focus in on making sure you have that education piece and type something out here. So what I like to do is have a hook, a story, education, engagement, ask them to talk about themselves, and then if they have more info. So the end part can really be any style here. Once that video is fully uploaded here, you can go ahead, publish, or you can hit schedule here.
Wait, how does Mr. Beast know everything?
At the very end that I wanted to share with you is they don't allow you to add thumbnails like YouTube and other platforms do. So what you would want to do is head back to CapCut, find that best scene where you're the most engaged, take a snapshot of that.
All right, Netflix told me to tell you this, that Oni Man...
Grow that big back in the media, and then what you can do is add that to the beginning of your video.
Well, they wanted me to make content out of this.
You can scroll in, you can make it a little shorter. You only want to make it a split second so it shows up.
All right.
And then you can go ahead and add some text
how does
effects
Mr. Beast
to
know
make
everything?
sure that you have a good thumbnail. So when somebody comes to your profile, this thumbnail doesn't look interesting. We want to have something cool with some big captions to get them to focus on that. All right, so I hope this video brought you some value. If you want to connect with me more on X, I'll put my X profile down below if you have any additional questions. And if this video brought you value, please subscribe to my channel. It definitely helps me grow. And I've got a ton of videos talking about X and X ads that you can check out in this playlist here. So what are you waiting for? Go get started, upload a video, tag me in it, and I'll give you a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Hope you have a great day. See you on the next video.